Chaz here with Direct RC, and I'm coming at you today with the newest Torq mountless servo, the MLS-1026. This one is made specifically for the TRX4M. This is the latest Torq servo with the mountless built-in mounting system right there. With the rear exit wire, no ears on the side that you have to worry about rubbing on the frame whenever you are off-roading and getting some articulation. Comes with all the hardware you need, including a metal servo horn. So you don't have to get a servo mount. You don't have to get an additional servo horn. And you have one of the strongest and fastest servos on the market. And I will take the stats and I'll flash them up there on the screen so you can check those out. Just as good as every Torq servo we've come to know and love. And I just happen to have a 4M high trail back here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to swap out my stock servo with the Torq mountless servo, and I am going to use the stopwatch on my phone to see how long this process takes. And I will come back with this totally swapped out, and I will show you in real time how long it took me to get that done. No, I'm not going to watch you. I'm not going to make you watch me in real time, but I will show you what the final time was on the stopwatch. So let's get into that. And we are done in just under 25 minutes. I was able to swap out the stock Traxxas stand-up servo for the new Torq MLS-1026 laydown servo. So not only is it just a better spec servo, it also adds more performance upgrades because instead of having this stand-up servo, having this weight up higher, this is now a laydown servo, dropping that weight just a little bit lower, and it's a much better servo. This thing is buttery smooth, and we all know the speed that these Torq servos are capable of. It does come, if I didn't mention, the Torq MLS-1026 is the first servo specifically designed for the TRX4M lineup. It is $44.99. That includes the CNC servo horn, which is about $15 value. Most servos do not include that, so that's a nice addition. It also comes with the drag bar that you'll need, because going from the direct stand-up servo that goes right here to the suspension link, you now have the drag link that comes with the Torq servo. So you have everything you need in the box to mount and upgrade this servo for $44.99. That is an unbeatable deal. And it just mounts directly on the axle right here with these screws on top of the front axle, and then lay down, and there you go. And that is so smooth. Even without turning this truck on, I can already feel a difference with how the steering feels. And Traxxas does a really nice job of running the wires through the chassis and keeping them nice and tucked up and everything. The Torq MLS-1026 servo, the wires are just long enough to run right through the same path, plug it into the ESC receiver combo in the same servo spot, and be able to tuck it away just like Traxxas has with the stock wiring. So that is really nice. You don't have an overabundance of extra wire. It's not too short to where you have to get an extension. Everything you need comes in this little box. $44.99, MLS-1026, the first specifically TRX4M designed servo for the market. Do yourself a favor, make this switch, and thank me later.